مارك زكربرجر. مفتحش الاكونت بتاعي في الفيس يا مارك بليز.
So I saw a picture of you and you were on your knees asking for pee time.
What do you mean? What?
It's like a picture of you and you're on your knees looking up at the camera and your tongue is out and it says pee time. I'm just wondering whether it's real or fake. Jamie, could you pull that up? Wow.
There you go. I mean, that's a little weird of a photo, but
I did
you know,
not
it's
think that is
yeah,
good.
yeah,
I did
no,
not
that's-
think
no,
that is
I don't-
good.
I don't like that at all.
المهم بين ان هو روبوت متحرك انتشاري مارك زكربرج مؤسس ميتا. وعندنا هنا كام لقطة لمارك أول مرة في حياته يجرب مية.
If you're it's Bush, Obama, and Trump all use these increasing amounts of data to
activities and collecting information. Facebook had detected this personal information. Start receiving advertisements for chocolate. It's obviously frustrating.
وأول مرة حد يسأله اديني الصوت.
Kenneth, Mark, give me the Zuck. But you can follow up and tell me what that means, and I'll try my best to do it for you. What's the whole Zuck thing? ZUCC. I haven't seen this before.
ومارك بنفسه اعترف ان هو مش انسان. هو بص، هو ممكن يبقى سحلية بس هو اعترف بنفسه ان هو مش انسان. هو حاول يصحح نفسه بس هو في الاخر طلع عيان.
But it is gonna bother you because you're human, and I was human. I am human still.
هل مارك زكربرج انديانا؟ What the fuck؟ ازاي يعني؟ هل مارك زكربرج انسان؟
Give me the Zuck.
او ممكن يبقى انسان بس اللي هو ايه، الناس بتقول ان هو مش انسان. هل مارك زكربرج انسان كويس؟
You're human, and I was human. I am.
تقريبا.